The Amber Alert is now canceled, but there's still no sign of Owen Hidalgo Calderon. The one-year-old has been the focus of an intense search in Sodus. And the man who is the prime suspect in his mother's murder goes to court. Let's get the facts first on CBS 5 News at 5 o'clock. A reporter shouted, "Donde está Owen?" Where is Owen in Spanish today as 25-year-old Alberto Reyes was brought into court. The case will go straight to a grand jury. He's charged with tampering with evidence, not murder yet. Authorities say Reyes was seen on trail cameras near the farm property carrying a shovel. He's the prime suspect in the murder of his girlfriend and the disappearance of her child. 18-year-old Selena Hidalgo Calderon's body was found in woods on that property last Wednesday. She and her son disappeared about 2 weeks ago. Investigators still can't find the child and now believe he may be dead. Authorities yesterday said they had nearly 50 calls in regards to the Amber Alert, but no tip among them that changed the focus of their search. Today, 47 searchers were on that farm in Sodus, down from more than 170 yesterday. The sheriff says they did turn up evidence, but wouldn't say exactly what. Today, cadaver dogs were back on the farm to search new areas of interest. CBS 5's Justin Page is with the Live Eye outside that courthouse where the suspect went before a judge.
Michael, while the search for baby Owen continues, the woman's boyfriend, Alberto Reyes, made his first appearance in Sodus Town Court earlier this afternoon. The sheriff says that Alberto Reyes admitted to burying Selena Hidalgo Calderon's body, but not to killing her. Right now, he's facing a felony charge for tampering with evidence, but investigators say more charges are possible. Alberto Reyes was silent during his brief court appearance Tuesday afternoon while a public defender waived his preliminary hearing.
I would just ask that people try to apply the presumption of innocence for this matter, even though it's very emotional for everyone involved.
Just a few miles down the road, law enforcement and volunteers continued their search for Owen despite state police in Albany canceling the Amber Alert. Wayne County Sheriff Barry Vert says the search didn't meet the criteria necessary to keep the alert active.
The one qualifier that we did meet, we can't confirm that this is an abduction.
It's been nearly 2 weeks since the pair went missing, but efforts on the ground haven't been scaled back.
We will continue to run two parallel investigations, the search for Owen and also our criminal investigation on the homicide of Selena. If you are a victim, we're going to work hard to protect you, to bring justice to you, and if you are a perpetrator, we're going to hunt you down.
Owen's babysitter's mother was in court as well. Through a translator, she described what she knows of the young boy.
He was wonderful to take care of. He was very quiet.
The relationship between Selena and Owen was full of love.
When they would bring him or when they would pick him up, she would always refer to him as her prince.
Alvarado's daughter watched Owen nearly every day, and she's been devastated by the news of Selena's death and his disappearance.
And what will they give him to eat? She's very sad. She herself does not. Ella no quiere comer. Ella misma, she doesn't wish to eat because she remembers the baby.
Reyes' next court appearance will be in Wayne County Court early next month. In the meantime, law enforcement will continue to search that farm on Joy Road about 5 miles from here for baby Owen. Sheriff Vert says all of the evidence they have so far leads them to believe the boy is somewhere on that property. Reporting live outside of Sodus Town Court, I'm Justin Page.
Justin, I know that the suspect in all of this is being represented by a public defender from Wayne County. Do we know if there's any effort underway between the authorities and that public defender to get this guy to say something about the child? Maybe not make an admission about doing something harmful to him, but some sort of information about where the child might be?
Well, as we know now, the sheriffs have said that Reyes has stopped talking and won't give any more information if he knows anything else about the location of this young boy. And today we heard not much from the public defender. He gave a brief statement after court and kind of walked away from reporters. He walked away from a question, in fact, where somebody had asked him if his client knows where Owen is. So we have no answer there, Michael.
Everybody wants an answer. Justin,